In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Discord for voice and text chat. If you want to learn how to use Discord for voice and text chat, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the basics so you can confidently join a server, send messages in text channels, and participate in voice conversations. Discord is a popular platform for staying connected with friends, communities, gaming groups, study partners, and work teams, and once you understand the basics, it's very easy to navigate. To begin, open Discord using your web browser or the desktop application if you already have it available. If you're using the web version, sign in to your account to access the main Discord interface. After signing in, you'll see the list of servers displayed as icons along the left side of the screen. Each server is a community centered around a specific topic, interest, group of friends, school, or gaming community. Simply click on the server you want to enter. Once you're inside a server, you'll notice a list of channels along the left side. Let's start with text chat, since it's usually the easiest feature to use. Text channels are identified by a hashtag symbol and often have names like general or chat. Click on any text channel to open it. At the bottom of the conversation, you'll find the message box. Select it, type your message, then press enter on your keyboard to send it. Your message will immediately appear in the channel for other members to read. You can continue conversations, share updates, ask questions, and, if the server allows it, share links or images. Just remember that every server may have its own rules, so it's always a good idea to follow the community guidelines before posting. Now let's look at voice chat. Voice channels are marked with a speaker icon and may have names such as General Voice or Gaming Voice. To join one, simply click the voice channel. Discord will automatically connect you without requiring you to start a separate call. Once connected, you'll typically see an indicator showing that you're in voice chat. If your microphone is working correctly, you can begin speaking right away. Whenever you need to mute yourself, click the microphone icon near the bottom of the screen. This is useful if there's background noise, or if you simply want to listen without speaking. Click the same icon again whenever you're ready to unmute. When you're finished with the conversation, select the disconnect button, which is represented by a phone icon, to leave the voice channel. One of Discord's most useful features is that you can stay connected to a voice channel while also participating in text conversations at the same time. This makes it easy to share links, send quick messages, or continue chatting while speaking live. If you're using Discord in a web browser, make sure microphone access is enabled. If your microphone isn't detected, check your browser permissions or your system's audio settings. It's also worth confirming that the correct microphone and headphones are selected if your audio doesn't sound right. With these basics in mind, you'll be able to use Discord for both text and voice chat with confidence. I hope this tutorial helped you get started. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,